What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and we're back with another BPV Delete kit video. So we've done single turbo cars in the past, we've done twin turbo cars in the past, but what we've never done is a twin turbo car with two blow-off valves. So we're going to change that today with this Stinger GT right behind us, and we are going to be installing the BPV Delete kit. This installation is fairly straightforward. All you will need tool-wise is a pair of pliers. I'm electing to use these long needle nose pliers as I will need to dive a little bit lower into the engine bay to remove some clips. But a pair of pliers is all you need, along with the bypass valve delete kit and the zip ties that are included. So what you're going to be looking for are these silver clips. There are two on each of the recirc hoses. We're going to take our needle nose pliers and we're going to remove them. With those out of the way, we'll go ahead and remove the tube. We'll then take our needle nose pliers and we will find that clip on the other end of the tube. Pull it out of the way. Then remove the tube. We'll repeat the process on the other side.
There it is.
After you have removed the circulation tubes, you're going to be left with something that looks just like this. So essentially what we're going to be doing is capping off the port on the intake and letting your bypass valves vent to atmosphere instead of recirculating that extra boost pressure back into the intake system. Now we're going to go ahead and place our caps on the ports on the intakes. And now to make sure that the caps stay in place, we are going to take our included zip ties. We're going to go ahead and get them started in a lasso just like this. And we're going to slip them around the port with the cap and then tighten. And from here, you can trim the excess zip tie with a pair of side cutters or scissors, whatever you may have. Go ahead and just clip that there, and then there. Just like that, installation is complete. Now that our Stinger bypass valve delete kit is installed, let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Not too shabby for just a few minutes of your time, basic hand tools, and a fraction of a blow-off valve kit. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap this video up. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure you're smashing that like button. If you want to see more content just like this, make sure you're subscribed. And if you have a Stinger, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.